What's going on, everybody? Ryan Archie Pressure Washing. So we're back with another video. This is we did this client's parents' house a couple weeks ago. They called us out to get them an estimate and they accepted. So we're about to do a house wash. We were gonna do a gutter cleaning, but my ladder stabilizer broke on me. So we're gonna have to come back and do that, but I'm gonna do a quick walk around the building. So this is the side, Big Bertha over there. Side of the building, side of the house. You don't really see too many houses like this in Georgia. It's technically a barn-dominium, or a barn-dominium. Very, very nice property. We're gonna be doing all the vinyl work, cleaning up over here. So we're not gonna do anything with this patio area except come and close off these outlets right here. But we're gonna do everything else all around. Like I said, we're not gonna get up there and do anything, but we are going to get this peak right here. As you can see, it's filthy. So we're gonna do all of that. Client said they're about to get it all screened in. This is the north side of the property. You can see all that mold and algae is thick on this side. Not as bad on the other side, but, and like I said, we were supposed to get this gutter line. See, the client has plants growing out of the gutters. But we're gonna come back and take care of that. Don't ask me how my stabilizer broke. I have no idea. I'll show you a picture of it next. But we're gonna take care of all of this. Stay tuned. And this is the front. Guess you could call this like the garage area for the property. That's what this is. Pulling hose. I always start in the back of the property so I can work my way around. Try to do two sides. So I'm gonna do this side right here, the back, pretty much, the back side, start here, work my way around, hit the front, and then I just have to do that other side in the back and I'll be done. Like I said, we're gonna make sure all these outlets are closed. I'm gonna go ahead and walk onto the patio and close that one off too. See this outlet, go ahead and close that. It's a nice back patio too. And we're going to close that one, make sure it's done. And make sure you get all of this on camera. Just in case something happens, you don't want to be responsible. So, all right, let's get started. Went ahead and taped off this electric door panel. Keypad into the house. You don't want no water getting into that. So we're out here in the country and we had low water pressure. So my tank wasn't catching up to meet the pressure washer. So I had to stop real quick and let it fill up. And then we're gonna get back started. I'm gonna have to go ahead and double feed it. So that's what we're doing now. See, all that mold and algae is gone. Let it sit for about 2 minutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and rinse. It really doesn't matter how you rinse, top to bottom. If you're using soap, make sure you hit the window sills. You don't want any soap to be left up there and just start running down to the windows. You don't want to get that call. Make sure there's no soap left on those windows. Slide down a little bit. And this property is over 2,500 square feet. No, I'm sorry, 3,000 square feet. Nope, I was right, 2,500. I had to remember what what me and the client talked about. Make sure you hit those window sills. And we weren't doing a full gutter cleaning. We were just gonna remove those plants that's sticking up. I think it's about 4 or 5 of them. That's all we were doing. He doesn't have any real trees standing close to his property. Now we're on the other side of the house, spraying everything down. Yes, and I will be getting the GoPro. I already ordered it. It should be here tomorrow. I gotta check, but it should be here tomorrow. Better quality videos are coming, I promise. All right, we finished. This is the after product. All that mold and algae is gone. We double tap some of the windows just to be sure. Looks 10 times better.